So we're gonna do a pancake art challenge. And make sure you guys comment down below.
Punch the subscribe button. Make sure you guys give us a huge thumbs up. Don't punch your screen though when you're punching the subscribe button though.
Alright, Easton, what's this color?
Green.
This color.
Blue.
What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Purple.
What color is this?
Pink. Good job, bud.
I'm gonna make a flower. I'm gonna need it this way so it can be big.
Oh, I see. You're gonna do the other. Well, careful because it's plugged in.
Here. All right. We first gonna start with green. We're gonna put a leaf right here, leaf right here. All right. Now we're gonna start with the flower. What color do I want to do for the flower? I'll use this for the middle part. A purple flower. I'll start. Way to blow out folks.
Oh no!
So we're gonna start with the middle part. Gonna make the circle. Alright? This isn't the best flower. Oh no. Connect that. No, let's fill it in. I wish we had a black so I could do like seeds on the yellow. I don't know why, but I feel like this flower is missing something. I could put a smiley face in the middle of it, but what color? I've already used green, yellow, and purple, so I can't use those. So it's down to these two. So I'll use this for the mouth because the lips, and then this for the eyes. We have another blowout!
Ah!
It's bubbly. We'll just name this Bubble Eye. Hopefully the bubble doesn't go away. And then pink. Explodes again! Way to fix it. It is still exploding. This is a very weird smile. Wait. There's one thing. Eyebrows. Make them look cool. That is a very big eyebrow.
I like it. So
Awesome.
we're waiting for bubbles to form. Oh look, there's a couple.
I have the force of a Jedi. Now I can grab a spatula without even holding it.
The problem's gonna be flipping it. Oh no! Flip it. It's alright. We can put it back together. Flip. Oh, looks good. Okay.
The head.
Flip it again. Oh, good. Oh, okay. It browned a little bit, but mostly we saved it.
Yeah, the only problem is he probably doesn't have any windpipes anymore.
I don't think flowers ever have windpipes.
We need to connect him. So we have this pancake here. It's not looking too good because his neck problem and feet problem and his arm problem. All right, well, let's go see what Bud has to do.
Easton's turn.
All right, Easton, come on, look. Squeeze it. Whoa. What do you want to make, Easton? What do you want to make? Let's make a blue ladybug. Does that sound cool? Look, help, squeeze on top.
I'll squeeze it.
Right, Easton,
I'll try
to squeeze one up here, okay?
I'll try it.
But Easton, I think that's enough blue, okay?
What?
Do you want to do some red now? Now let's go like this. I'll hold it. Easton, do you want to squeeze more?
Good job. You want to do another yellow dot over here?
Yes.
All right.
Done.
What other colors you want to use?
This purple and green. Got it.
Got it.
Now purple.
Here, Easton, do you want to put one up here?
Beautiful art, buddy.
Easton, are you done?
So done. I need pink first.
Oh, it's kind of going off.
Good job. We'll call yours a lot of miniature pancakes.
Here's my pancake.
Mm-hmm. More pink right there.
Yes.
All righty.
Let's see.
Yes, I done.
Layton's gonna try to flip them. Easton, what do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? What'd you make?
I don't know. I make pancakes.
You did. You did a good job, buddy.
I'm going to make a rainbow. So yeah, let's start. Okay. Oh.
There you go. We're finding it's easier to flip if you make the lines thicker.
And now I'm going to start with the yellow. It's time to make the yellow. Oh yeah.
There you go. Fill in the middle of the gaps. Good job.
Oh yeah. And then I need blue. I'm gonna do purple at the end. Tap off? No. And now I'm gonna fill the purple up of all of the spaces.
Oh no, it's leaking into the hole. That's okay.
It's fine though. Now I'm gonna do something with the yellow. I'm gonna do a circle and then I'm gonna add something in it. Okay? Try to get to the center. Sunglass. Now that the sunglass on this side kinda didn't turn out well. It's kinda hard to do. But I need to add a halo. Now it kinda looks like a bow. The rainbow kinda didn't turn out well. Peel it off. And some of the hair peeled off. And I'm gonna surprise you. Oh, I'm just gonna make something. Good. Okay.
Scary. How are you deciding what to do? Are you just throwing down colors?
No. That doesn't look like a V. That's an L, that's a O, that's a V, and that's a E.
Oh, I see. Love.
There we go.
Oh, I like it.
No. This. It almost
Ended up just being colorful confetti. Didn't hold together when we flipped, huh? Who do you guys think won?
Mine accidentally broke, but the rainbow is actually pretty.
Comment down below who won.
Look at
My flower.
Look at Buzz. Buzz is the best.
Should we eat them?
Yeah. The first bite. Will it taste good?
First bite will taste good.
What do you think, Kaylin?
Good.
Ethan?
Good.
Ethan, you like it?
I'm probably gonna need more syrup for this.
Really?
We will always remember this face. But he doesn't really have his mouth anymore. Because I'm about to eat it. Because I'm about to eat it.